I've said many times that I believe that you should be generous, be a giver, live with a mindset of abundance. Let's talk about ways that you can live that out with this week's video. It's important that you not live with a mindset of scarcity, where you always feel that you're lacking and you need more and you have to go out and get and fight for what you need. Instead, consider elevating yourself to live in a world of abundance where there's plenty for everybody. We just need to take care of other people, and this abundant world will take care of us. That, I think, is a secret to success. But it's important that we not just think it, but we act it out, right? Our actions often speak louder than our words. So what are ways that you can express your mindset of abundance? I believe by being generous and giving of yourself with no expectation of anything in return. Let me give you some examples of how that can play out. Recently, I received a card in the mail from a past client informing me that they were celebrating their 10th anniversary being in business. That's fantastic. Many businesses don't last 10 years. So it really speaks to this person's professionalism and quality of service that they've now reached their 10th anniversary milestone. I decided to celebrate that along with them and their team by sending some flowers in the mail. They'll receive them this week as this video is going to my channel. And I believe that they'll be delighted to see that other people are celebrating right along with them. So that's something that did cost some money. You could think of somebody in your network that is celebrating a milestone and give them a small gift. It's important that the gifts be reasonable because you don't want to send something excessive. It might make them uncomfortable or feel awkward if you spend too much money. So keep it reasonable and just surprise someone with something delightful. You could also give a free gift. If you use LinkedIn, I recommend that you recommend someone in your network. I have found in the past that when I write recommendations for people that are sincere and written from the heart, that people truly appreciate it because it's a gift that keeps on giving. It stays with their profile on LinkedIn, and it's much better than an endorsement. Endorsements are lightweight and don't hold a lot of value, whereas recommendations really do. So take some time, think about some people in your network that you could write a recommendation for. How about writing a review for a business on a site like Yelp? If there's a business that you've done business with, someone that you know well, write a review for their business that, once again, is genuine and sincere, and you just hadn't thought about doing it in the past. It's okay if you haven't done business with them for a little while, as long as you're recounting your past experience with that business and writing something genuine. When you do things like this with no expectation of something in return, you're living out the mindset of abundance. And that's an important message to yourself and to the world about how you operate. So challenge yourself this week to come up with at least 3 different people in your network that you can do something kind for, whether it's surprising them with a small gift, writing a recommendation, writing a review, or something else that you think of. Be creative in how you delight and surprise someone in your network. And I think you'll be delighted and surprised by how it makes you feel and how it helps you to be more successful in the long run. I'd love to hear what you decide to do. Place them in the comments below because you might give me new ideas for things that I can do to live in a world of abundance. If you have appreciated this video, please like it, comment on it, and subscribe to the channel and share it with others. Send the challenge on to other people. And if you're thinking about investing in my sales course, now is a great time. It's newly released and available for your purchase and investment. If you've learned a lot from me and my channel over the years, then I think it's time that you think about going deeper and investing in a multi-part comprehensive sales course that could really take your skills to the next level. You can learn more about it by watching the video on this channel that promotes it or find the link in the comments below. Thank you very much and best wishes to you.